Hello and welcome to Terry's Tesla. This is part 2 of my multiple part series on things I wish I'd known on day 1 of getting my Tesla and things my friends wish they'd known on day 1 of getting their Teslas. So once again, we're going to jump through the next 5 things and hopefully there'll be a part 3 next week. Let's get to it. One of the things that definitely takes getting used to with a Tesla is that when you walk away from it with your key or your phone as a key in your pocket, it will automatically lock. You'll look back just to check, but it will do it as soon as you get far enough away. The other thing to get used to is there's no key or button to start the car. Once you get in the car with the key in your pocket, it will automatically be ready to go and put in gear. Just get in and drive. As a matter of fact, one of my friends wanted to lock their car manually, and I said, well, why don't you just use the key fob? And they were like, what do you mean? They didn't realize because the key fob is so smooth that it actually has buttons right on the top of it. So the center button is the one that you can tap once to lock or double tap to unlock. The rear part of the key fob actually opens your lift gate or your trunk, and the front part of your key fob will actually open your front trunk. So those are buttons on the top. One of the biggest questions I get is, well, where are all the charging spots? How will I know where there's a charger? Well, that's the beauty of Tesla. Once you type in your destination, if it's beyond your current range, the navigation system will not only automatically route you to your destination, but if it needs to, it will route you to the chargers, the superchargers you'll need in between, and even tell you how long you'll need to stay and charge at each charger. Of course, you can stay longer and charge more and maybe even skip the next charger, but at a minimum, it'll tell you where the chargers are, navigate you to them directly, and give you an idea of how long it will take to charge at each one. This is one of the big advantages to the Tesla navigation system, especially when you're going to do a road trip or go beyond your range. It's built in. Another cool feature is that you can use your voice command button to play any song via your built-in Slacker radio. Just hold the button down and ask it to play the song you want. Play When Doves Cry by Prince. If you drive Model S or Model X, you can hold down either scroll wheel and actually scroll up or down to configure what will display on the left side or the right side of your above steering wheel display. So you can customize the look and feel anytime to whatever features you want to be able to see on either side of the main display above the steering wheel. Very easy, very cool, and you can always change it to what it used to be if you don't like it. All right, cool. All right, that wraps up this week's tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Stay tuned for next week's tips where we will continue the series for Tesla drivers.